Hello and welcome. If you've noticed the growing fascination people have with thread sketching and thread painting lately, but have no idea what it is or how it's done, then you need a course that will help you get up to speed so that you can begin creating beautiful stitched art using fabric and thread. Do you feel the urge to explore your creative side with machine thread sketching, but need to know the basics before you feel you can get started? Would you like to develop your skills so that you can begin making designs like these? Let me tell you this, you can begin thread sketching and thread painting today with no prior experience in free motion stitching. This foundation skills course, Creative Machine Thread Sketching, will help you get past first base and up and running in no time. I'm 𝗕𝗫𝗄𝗏 of threadsketchingandaction.com, and I understand what it's like to be a beginner because I wore those same shoes when starting out. Over the years, I've used my teaching experience and knowledge of creative textile art to help thousands of people get started in thread sketching. Often the issues people think they face are in fact more often issues relating to lack of confidence or the constraints of ingrained habits. Beginning your journey today offers the opportunity to get instant results by learning simple techniques that even someone with no experience can master. With the fundamental skills in your repertoire, there is no limit to where you can take your passion for creating more stunning textile art. I see so many people get frustrated simply because nobody has taken the time to wind back to the beginning and show you how to get started and avoid problems before they occur. This beginner's class will develop your skills and build the confidence to begin exploring new styles and techniques. How? By learning the right things right from the start. Stop feeling frustrated. This course is for you. I will show you what to do and how to do it. I'll be at your side if you need help. In this course, you'll discover how to overcome the most common hurdles people face. Equipment and supplies, what do you need? Setting up your machine for free motion stitching. How to prepare the fabric bases for your pictures. You'll learn 2 basic stitches that can be worked on almost any domestic sewing machine, and how to prevent puckering. Lessons are delivered in easy-to-follow, bite-sized video format that you can watch and review as many times as you like from the comfort of your own home. You'll also receive downloadable PDF notes and designs to print and keep. And you have access to me online if you need assistance. The projects included are designed not only to get you started with basic concepts, but also challenge you just enough so that you can move onwards and upwards, developing your own unique thread sketching style. If you're ready to get started learning this fabulous, creative and interesting technique, enroll today and start your exhilarating ride into the world of creative stitch. You can find out more information at www.learn.𝗕𝗫𝗄𝗏.com. I'll see you soon. Bye.